What if I told you this makes $100 a day and I run it completely alone? The power of strategic simplicity in a world that celebrates hustle, speed, and constant expansion. The most successful individuals and businesses often operate in quiet contrast. While others chase visibility through volume, true winners focus on precision. They understand a fundamental truth. Growth does not come from doing more, it comes from doing the right things exceptionally well. This is the foundation of strategic simplicity. Strategic simplicity is not minimalism for comfort or playing small. It is a deliberate and disciplined approach to growth that filters out noise and channels energy toward what truly matters. It sharpens focus so that every action compounds instead of distracts. Those who master this principle build an advantage that is difficult to copy and even harder to replace. The modern environment is engineered to steal attention. New opportunities appear daily: business ideas, collaborations, trends, side projects, and shortcuts promising fast results. Each one feels urgent. Each one seems like it could be the breakthrough. But this abundance is not a gift, it is a test. And most people fail it by saying yes too often. The reality is simple. Not every opportunity is meant for you. Opportunity without alignment is distraction disguised as progress. When you say yes to everything, you dilute your time, energy, and identity. Progress slows, results weaken, and frustration grows. Strategic simplicity begins the moment you stop reacting to options and start choosing with intention. Saying no is one of the most underrated skills in business and life. It requires clarity, confidence, and long-term thinking. Many avoid it because they fear missing out, disappointing others, or delaying success. But every yes carries a cost. That cost is focus, and once focus is broken, it is expensive to rebuild. When you decline opportunities that do not align with your core mission, you are not closing doors, you are protecting momentum. You preserve the mental and operational space required to execute at a high level. This discipline allows you to go deep instead of wide. And depth is where excellence lives. As simplicity increases, clarity emerges. Your brand message becomes sharper. Your value proposition becomes easier to understand. Clients immediately know what you stand for, who you serve, and why you are different. This clarity builds confidence, and confidence builds trust. Trust is the currency of growth. When clients trust you, decisions happen faster. Relationships last longer. Referrals occur naturally. Trust removes friction from every interaction, and it is built when your actions consistently align with a clear identity. Strategic simplicity also improves execution. When your offering is focused, systems become easier to refine. Processes improve. Quality rises. Errors decrease. Teams perform better because expectations are clear. Over time, consistency strengthens reputation, and reputation attracts opportunity. Many businesses fail not because they lack talent, but because they lack discipline. They overextend too early, add complexity too fast, and confuse movement with progress. Complexity feels productive, but it often hides inefficiency. Simplicity exposes it, and that exposure can be uncomfortable for those unwilling to confront reality. The discipline to simplify requires self-awareness. You must understand what truly drives results and what only creates the illusion of progress. This awareness develops through reflection, data, and the courage to remove what no longer serves your vision. Simplicity strengthens decision-making. When priorities are clear, choices become faster and more confident. You stop second-guessing because decisions are guided by principles rather than emotions. This decisiveness saves energy and reduces mental fatigue over time. At its core, strategic simplicity is about respect for your time, your clients, and your long-term goals. Attention is finite, and those who respect it earn the right to scale it. Importantly, simplicity does not mean stagnation. It does not reject growth or innovation. Instead, it ensures that growth is intentional and sustainable. Expansion built on clarity lasts longer than expansion built on impulse. As your direction simplifies, confidence grows. You stop chasing validation and start building value. Your work speaks clearly, and that quiet confidence becomes magnetic, attracting clients, collaborators, and opportunities that align naturally. The businesses that scale successfully are not the busiest. They are the most aligned. Their leaders understand that discipline creates freedom, the freedom to innovate, adapt, and lead rather than react. Simplicity is not the absence of ambition. It is ambition refined. And in a world addicted to noise, those who master strategic simplicity gain a rare advantage: the ability to move forward with clarity while others remain stuck in motion. No meaningful journey is built alone. Behind every sustainable success is a support system that provides perspective, accountability, and encouragement. Mentors, peers, and like-minded individuals help you see blind spots and validate decisions when uncertainty arises. Engaging with professional networks or communities exposes you to shared experiences, both wins and failures. Learning from others' mistakes can save you years of trial and error. Learning from their successes can reveal possibilities you hadn't yet imagined. These connections do more than provide advice. They reinforce belief. When surrounded by people who understand your vision, staying committed becomes easier during challenging phases. Momentum is contagious in the right environment. Community isn't just a growth tool, it's an anchor. It reminds you why you started and strengthens your resolve to continue when progress feels slow. Positioning yourself as a true partner. Clients don't remain loyal to service providers, they remain loyal to partners. The moment you shift from transactional thinking to partnership thinking, everything changes. You stop asking, "What can I sell?" and start asking, "How can I contribute to their success?" When clients feel supported, heard, and valued, they naturally see you as an extension of their own team. This perception elevates your role from optional to essential. Over time, this creates a powerful ripple effect where satisfied clients talk, recommend, and advocate for you without being asked. Every interaction matters. Each email, meeting, and delivery reinforces your reputation. Excellence compounds quietly, but its impact spreads loudly through networks. Referrals generated from trust convert faster and stay longer because credibility precedes you. This is how authority is built, not through aggressive marketing, but through consistent value and integrity. Adaptability as a growth advantage. Markets evolve. Client needs to shift. Strategies that worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. The businesses that survive and thrive are those that adapt without abandoning their core values. Adaptability doesn't mean chasing trends blindly. It means listening carefully to client feedback, performance data, and industry signals, then responding intelligently. This ability to pivot while staying grounded creates resilience. Establishing a culture of continuous improvement ensures your processes, services, and experiences evolve over time. Small refinements compound into major advantages. When clients see that you're actively improving, confidence deepens. True adaptability strengthens your foundation rather than weakening it. It turns uncertainty into opportunity and change into leverage. Sustainable growth through relationships and referrals. Long-term success is built through relationships, not shortcuts. Proactive businesses regularly assess their performance, refine their offerings, and seek collaboration instead of competition. Strategic partnerships such as collaborating with complementary professionals expand your value without diluting your focus. These alliances enrich your service ecosystem while strengthening your brand presence. A structured referral system transforms satisfied clients into brand ambassadors. When people are rewarded for sharing positive experiences, growth becomes organic and scalable. Gratitude strengthens loyalty, and loyalty fuels advocacy. Equally important is reviewing partnerships regularly. Alignment ensures mutual growth and prevents stagnation. Open communication keeps relationships productive and adaptable. Ultimately, your goal isn't just revenue, it's building a thriving community centered on shared success. When clients believe in your vision, they don't just buy your service, they support your journey.